How to speak Tagalog like a local. There's the title. Hello, what's up? So it's Tonsky again. I am Filipino. I speak Tagalog, and maybe you are a foreigner who has a Filipino friend who speaks Tagalog, or you're just curious about learning Tagalog. So what I'm trying to say is I'm gonna try to teach you Tagalog. Okay, so how to speak Tagalog like a local. I'm just talking out of my head right now. This is just all stock knowledge. To know this, you need to first know the alphabet. The alphabet in the Philippines is different from the alphabet in the English alphabet. It's a little bit different, but it's a little bit the same as well. Why do you need this? Because we say the letters differently here. For example, the vowels in Western countries, you say A, E, I, O, U. So it's A, E, I, O, U. But here in the Philippines, we have the same vowels. But when we speak in Tagalog, it's A, E, I, O, U. Tagalog is very phonetic. So the way it's written, for example, if you say A, if you assign the sound A to the letter A, that is how it's said every single time. On the other hand, in Western alphabet, so there's A, E, I, O, U, right? So in that logic, the letter A, the assigned sound for letter A is A. So which means every single word with the letter A should be said as A. So if I say apple, it shouldn't be said as apple. It should be said as apple, because that's the sound you assign to that letter. That's how it is in Tagalog. Instead of saying A, E, I, O, U, you say A, E, I, O, U. And keep that in mind. If you say words like araw, which means sun, a foreigner might say araw, but it's araw. I've seen a lot of memes, actually, jokes revolving around how Filipinos speak the F and P, how we get those mixed up. And there's a simple explanation. It's because in the Filipino alphabet, we don't have the letter F. So you know the English alphabet, right? In the Filipino alphabet, there's less letters. We don't have a letter F, we don't have a letter Z, we don't have a Q. What else don't we have? We just don't have as many letters. So when Filipinos came to learn the English language, the sound F, the F sound, we don't have a letter V either. So the F sound is extremely foreign. Like, it doesn't exist. F. The fuck is F? So it doesn't exist. So instead of saying the F sound, the P sound was put. If a Filipino who doesn't know English were taught the word fruit, he would probably say prut. If you have like Filipino friends or Filipino teachers, you can show this to them. Maybe, show it to them, share it to them, and I'm curious to know if I got things right. Focus on your vowels. Say A, E, I, O, U. That's a secret. That's the baseline. What you need. So I hope you picked up something from this scuffed tutorial. Please like the video if you want me to do more of this stuff. This tutorial thing, you want to learn more. Comment below something. If you want me to do something, just comment it down below, dude. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.